No, he's not being cute now.
He's gonna get through that wall.
Oh, he chewed up the dryer chute, like the thing that took the lint out of the bathroom. He chewed a huge hole in that. It was fun for him.
Can he jump down here from up there?
Yes, he can. He's just, I don't know why he won't.
He likes it up there.
He's so funny.
Come on.
Perry, come here.
Come on. Yeah. Oh, look, his whiskers are so goofy.
Yeah, they're so long. What are you doing? You're so funny.
Come here.
All about those socks. No.